Hello, polar bear fans! Sorry, I forgot to do that in the last two videos, kids, so, blame Evart's conservative, but you kids are so brave, so proud of you. Now today, Evart's conservative gonna pick a lock, maybe. Such confidence, polar bear. Well, sometimes you fail. Well, we all fail at things at times. Yeah, but you be on a swamp. That's true. That is true. Okay, so, went to Do It Best Hardware, Sullivan's Hardware and Garden Center on Friday, and picked up some plants for my garden. Unfortunately, most of them were stolen. I set the box right over there by the cages, and I got home the next day, and all but two were gone, and we've had a lot of rain, so I'm going to wait till probably tomorrow to plant the two plants that they didn't steal. Yeah. So, anyway, oh yeah, and this is a one-way street, so they had to go around the block to come back and steal them. So, anyway, one of the padlocks I picked up was this Do It Best 1.5-inch padlock. And the first thing I noticed when I got it opened was the body's aluminum. Now, let's look at the back here. Yeah, it's a bit windy today, folks. But yeah, it says hardened steel shackle, resist sawing and cutting, solid body padlock for resistance to the elements, and a lifetime guarantee. Now, here's what I really found funny, is right here at the bottom where it says, manufactured for Master Lock Company for Do It Best Corp, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Sorry about that, polar bear. You better be! I'm very, very sensitive. Okay, so, but yeah, as you can see, this, the shape of the body is just like the 150s and 140s, etc. And it says, do it on the front. And the D is the center is a claw hammer. That's so you can hammer stuff, but not with the padlock. Good point, polar bear. Very good point. So let's see if I can't get this lock picked. Yeah, I've got really classy neighbors. Okay, so doesn't take a lot of tension on this one.
This way.
Okay.
Come here. Come here.
There we got it. So, not too difficult to show you the bitting on the key. So, I hope you enjoyed that. You know what time it is now! Yum, 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 yum.